Yeah, come on up, Raj. All right.
I started following Ann in around probably 2005 or 6 with Renegade Marketing. At that time, I wasn't sure like if I was following a bot or something actually, because I don't know the person. All I got emails I tried to follow, and then I signed up. I was like not sure. And again, like 2008, I got some emails I used to follow. Was it really a bot or a person working behind the scenes? So I wasn't sure. So yeah, Shop Your Way. Finally, I signed up. Okay, maybe even if it's a bot, I'll give it a chance and then see if it works again. So then I think, yeah, it all worked for me. So that's when I think after this, talking to Coach Kurt and all that, and finally seeing Ann here. So it's a great journey for me. So coming here, so I had a couple of things I looked at, like getting into China. So that was one of my biggest things. How can I get into China? How can I find my products? What are the things I need to do? And then also looking at some of the folks who already succeed in doing things. So I know being with successful people always leads to success. You cannot fail if you follow successful people. So that I firmly believe in. And this community, I see there is a lot of energy even after day 3 or day 4. I see still there is a lot of energy. And then it's the first time I'm involved in a community like this. So I'm really honored. I'm very glad I took a decision to come here for these 4 days. So thank you.
Awesome. Wonderful.